Hi, everyone, and welcome once again to one of our Hobby Memorial Library events. We are thrilled to have back Miss Luvina Sabree. She is a local restaurant catering owner, and she has done some amazing events with us before. Well, she is going to be doing a Surviving Adulthood series event for us today on cooking vegan. So I'm going to go ahead and let her take it away.
Hi, my name is Luvina Sabree, and I am the owner of So Natural Catering. Today, I am going to introduce you to vegetarian lifestyle. What we're going to talk about is cooking vegetarian, but I am also going to show you how to cook a vegan dish. There are 6 different types of vegetarians. The first one that I'm going to talk about is a flexitarian. And a flexitarian chooses to eat more of a plant-based diet, but they may eat meat, either red meat or chicken or fish every now and again. But for the most part, what they eat is plant-based, and sometimes they eat meat. And I consider myself a flexitarian because although I don't eat meat all the time, I still will indulge in meat some of the times. The other type of vegetarian is called pescatarian. And a pescatarian is a person who eats plant-based but will eat seafood as well, whether it be fish, crab, or lobster. Then you have the lacto-ovo vegetarian, and lactose is for milk products or dairy products, and ovo is for eggs. And so you have the lacto-ovo vegetarian, and then you have some people who do the lactose, which is the milk, and then you have some that do both the milk and the eggs, and then you have some that only do the milk but don't do any egg products, and then you have some that do egg products but don't do any dairy products. And finally, you have the vegan, and the vegan is all plant-based. Everything that a vegan eats comes directly from the plant, nothing from animals at all. And so today, what I am going to show you is how to make an easy vegan chickpea curry. It is so delicious, y'all, over some basmati rice. So I'm going to show you how to make that. So in the next segment of the video, I will take you to the ingredients of the vegan chickpea. Hey, I'm back. So I just wanted to gather all the ingredients. I took a picture of the ingredients, and you will have the exact measurements of the ingredients from the picture as well. But we're going to go ahead and get started with this easy chickpea curry. So I have my pot and all my ingredients. So first I'm going to put some oil in the pot and let it heat up just for a couple of seconds, and then after the oil heats up, I am going to add my ginger and my garlic that I had already cut up. When you see the picture, you're not going to see the ginger in there because we didn't have any, but we have some now, and I'm just going to go ahead and saute this. And I'm going to saute it for maybe about 30 seconds to a minute until it starts to smell fragrant, in which it already smells good. So I'm just going to go ahead and saute this. And then the next thing that I am going to add is the curry powder, the red pepper, the cumin, and the salt. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that in here and get those seasonings in here. And they're smelling as good as well. And I'm only going to put these in here for 30 seconds to a minute. Oh, it smells so good. And this is a really quick meal for you all. So it's fragrant. The garlic is starting to turn brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and cook those until they're translucent. It's a quick, simple, easy dish for you to make at home. And even if you do eat meat, it's still a good dish because the protein is all in the chickpeas. It smells so good in here. The onions are browning nicely. The next thing that I am going to add, this is, you can either use vegetable broth or you can use water. And so I like to have a lot of flavor, so I incorporate that into the skillet. If you all love curry, you're going to love this dish because it is so good. All right, so now I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients. This is the agave nectar. Just adding just a touch of sweetness, not a lot. The diced tomatoes. Let those simmer down just a little bit. Now, if you want to have it a little bit spicier, you can. You can add more crushed red peppers if you like, or if you like, you can add some cayenne pepper. It's all up to you. I'm just gonna let that simmer for a few. All right, now let that simmer. I'm gonna add the chickpeas. And these are all the ingredients with the exception of the coconut milk. I'm gonna add the coconut milk last. But I'm just gonna let these ingredients cook and saute for a little bit. And then after that, I'm gonna add the coconut milk. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate the coconut milk. I filled up the bowl a little bit too much, but and then we're just gonna let this simmer for about 5 minutes to cook down and to thicken up, and then that'll be our easy chickpea curry. It's made with ingredients that you would probably normally already have in your pantry. Okay, so this is the finished product. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm just going to show you the finished product, and then I'm going to plate it for you so that you'll see what it looks like after it's been plated. Thank you so much for spending this time with me, showing you how to cook easy vegan chickpea curry. Thank you.
That looked so yummy. Thank you so much, Miss Sabree. This was really awesome that you took the time to go ahead and show us some vegan cooking. Since this is pre-recorded because she's busy in her restaurant on the day that this airs, if you have any questions, please please ask them in the comments, and we will get those questions to her. Also, her information is down in the comment section. So we have some more Surviving Adulthood series events coming up on February the 12th. We have our Child Development Center Assistant Director, Janine Garza, and she's going to be talking to us about childcare. So that will be on the 12th. And then on the 13th, we have car maintenance. Ever want to know how to change a tire and, hear some information about car maintenance? Well, then definitely tune in at noon. All of our events are at noon. And then on February the 14th, we have podcaster Keisha Ward, who is going to be giving us some great information. So make sure that you tune in for all of our Surviving Adulthood series events and our other events, our night sky tours, and we even have more events coming up in the semester. You guys have a great day. I'll see you next time.